Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we discover how to create a contact form in Django and send emails from it. To get started, install the latest version of Django on your machine with pip install Django command, or indicate the version if you need one of the earlier iterations. Create the project with Django admin start project command and indicate the name of your project. We named it My Project. Add a dot at the end to create a project in the selected folder only. Now you're ready to start creating a form. Create a new Python file called forms. Add two imports, forms and email validator. The first one will define the form fields you want to collect from the user. The second will add validations to the rendered HTML form to ensure the user inputs the correct data. Create a contact class that contains fields such as name, email, phone, subject, and message. As you can see, the email field uses the email validator we imported earlier. Once the form is ready, create a new views file. Add a view function called contact that takes a web request and returns a rendered contact form template. If the data in the form is sent through a post request, the form will be validated, and it will redirect to the success page. For the code to work, we need to add the necessary imports such as contact form, render, and redirect. If the request isn't post, a contact form template will be rendered. Here we're using the contact.html, but we don't have it yet. In the settings.py file, we should point where contact.html should be found. Import OS and under templates, join the paths of the base directory and the folder that will contain the template. We'll call it templates. Create the templates directory. It will hold the contact.html and success.html files. Our code requires the success view, so let's create it. After preparing the contact and success views, the only thing left is setting the proper URLs in the urls.py file. Import both views and create two paths for contact and success views respectively. All done. Let's test our contact form. Run the server with python manage.py run server command. Open it by pasting the endpoint in your browser's search box. This is what our contact form looks like. Enter the sample data and click submit. We are redirected to the success page, which means that everything works as expected. Though our contact form is ready, it can't send emails just yet. To enable it, we need Django's SMTP configuration and an SMTP server. And since we're still developing the contact form, it's safer to use a test SMTP server. We'll be using Mailtrap email testing to capture all the SMTP traffic. It allows you to inspect and debug emails in staging, QA, and dev environments without spamming recipients. To access the credentials of your virtual inbox, navigate to the Email Testing tab and open the desired inbox. Click Show Credentials to reveal the SMTP configuration. Alternatively, find Django in the drop-down menu under Integrations and copy a ready-made code snippet. Navigate to the settings.py file and insert the SMTP configuration with Mailtrap credentials in it. Then go to Views and import Django's built-in email message object. Delete the return line from the code as we want to be able to read the contact form data. Instead, insert the form data that will be sent by email, such as name, email, and message. Build an email message containing parameters like subject, message, from, and to, and redirect to the success page. It's time to test the setup. Go to the contact page, fill it in with sample data, and click submit. The success message appeared, so let's check the Mailtrap virtual inbox. The email is right there. All done. Once you complete all the tests, you can start sending Django contact form emails in production. For that, you can use an SMTP server from one of the sending solutions, like Mailtrap email sending, for example. Feel free to check out our other videos and learn more about sending emails from Django. All the links will be available in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform. To test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.